friends, welcome back to the channel Udays Review. In our channel, we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets that will level up your entertainment experience.
In this video, let us see about Zoom Podtrak P4. So this is the box of it, and you can see the Podtrak image here itself, and bottom of it is written like ultimate recorder for podcasters. Why this is useful? Because it has 4 mic inputs, 4 headphone output and auto audio mix, built-in sound pads. Inside of the box we can see the Podtrak image with the SD card. Behind the box you can see some details which is mentioned. To the other side of the box, it is written like Zoom VR for the podcasters, and Podtrak 4 is written here. And on top there is some barcodes for seller, and Podtrak 4 is mentioned, and bottom also there are some details and some instructions given here. So without wasting time, let us unbox the product and see. So once we open the box, there is a warranty card here, mentioned all the details and the serial number, date of purchase, everything. Basically this comes with 1 year warranty, and the sellers also gives the additional warranty. If you guys need it, you can buy it. So let me keep this aside. This is an instruction manual for the product. There are a couple more papers we'll see. This has one language, and this is the English language. These are like additional papers and instructions. This is also a booklet of the instruction. So let me keep all this side, show you the English one. So this has like cleanly mentioned like how to use, how to connect all the things, how to use it for podcasting or live streaming, all the stuff. Each and every button is cleanly mentioned, the level is mentioned. So let me show you this all details in the video further. I'll see if I get a soft copy of it. I'll put in the link below. You can download it and see. So I'll keep this aside and let me continue with the unboxing. Let us dig deeply and see what is in the box. So I guess this is the podcaster itself. I'll keep it aside as of now, then remove it and see what is there. So that is all. You don't have anything else. Once you open this cover, you have the product. So I'll keep this aside and put everything in the box and keep it aside. This is the Zoom Podtrak P4. Why it is called P4? Because we can connect 4 individual mics to it. For example, if you are recording 2% podcast or 3% podcast or 4% podcast, you can directly connect all their mics through this and you can record it. Let us see in the detail like what this product is capable of doing. Here you have all the 4 mics gain level, like it goes from 0 to 10. So this is 10 and it all the way goes to 0. Below that you have mic indicators and the phantom powered mic indicator. The first one has normal mic and phantom powered mic. So if you slide the slider to the left, it is normal mic, and if I push it to the right, it is phantom powered mic. Same thing goes with the second mic also. And the third mic is having 3 connections. Why? Because this has 3 selection ports, because one is normal mic and one is phantom powered mic, and another one is like you can connect your mobile to it. via an external adapter with Bluetooth. The fourth one is also similar. You can connect phantom powered mic, normal mic, and the last switch is like you can connect it to the system via USB. So that is why the USB indicator is given here. These buttons are for like muting it. Before proceeding to the video, let me power this with the batteries and show you all the features so you can understand it easily. Once I rotate it, here you have the battery pack. I'll remove this, and in this place where we can put two AA batteries, I will take Duracell Ultra for this. I will insert the first battery here, then the second battery here. That's all. And I will close the lid here. This also can be powered via USB-C in this point. So we have inserted the battery. Let me power it on. So this is a power button. I'll long press and it will get powered like this. So here you can see the Zoom logo and it says it's loading. Now we will have to enter the date. We have set the date and time here, and I'll press OK. It says done. Let me connect a full SD card to it. So this is a 16 GB card. I will now insert it into the card drive. I'll slide it open like this. Once you open the slot here, you have a card slot where you will have to enter the SD card. As of now, I am inserting a 16 GB card. This Podtrak can take up till 512 GB card. As of now, I am inserting the 16 GB card, which is Ultra card. Press it, then I'll lock it. That's done. Here, these buttons are like for muting the mic. When I press this, there's a red light coming here. The particular mic will get muted. So once I resume, it will start again. So these are the buttons for the sound pads. So you can have a customized tracks for all these things.
So let me connect the Podtrak P4 to the power via using USB-C. So I have connected my charger here to the extension, and I'll be connecting the same output from it to the thing. So I have removed the batteries. Previously you saw we had inserted the battery. Now I have removed the battery. Now let me connect it and power it on. And now again we'll turn it on. As you know, there's a power button. You press on, the Podtrak P4 will start. So it is also has a SD card. Like last time we saw, we inserted a SD card. So it also has access for the SD card. Now let me connect the Podtrak P4 to the system, and I'll show you its all details. So after inserting SD cards, here you can see you have 6 hours and 16 minutes of recording time. Now let me connect the Podtrak P4 to the system and show you how the user interface is. So now I am connecting my laptop to USB-C cable. So this one I'll be connecting into the second slot of it. So now I have connected my laptop to Podtrak P4. So I will open Audition. Now Audition is open here. Now I'll click on Audition and I'll go to Settings. Then I'll come to Audio Hardware. So here I will select default input as Zoom P4 audio. Then press OK. So in Podtrak P4 we have inbuilt system recording, and if you want you can connect it to the laptop and you can record it. Use this as an audio interface. Here in laptop I will go to File and I'll press Open, or I'll right click here, New. I'll click Audio File, then give this name as Zoom and press OK. So here we have the recording screen if you want to do voiceover and all other stuff. What I will do is start playing this default sound pads which is here, and I'll show you the sounds of it. So once I am ready with this, I'll just press the recording here or press the keyboard R. Once I am ready with this, I'll just press the record button here, so it will start recording. Now I'll press the A sound pad in this. So once I press the A, you have this thing, and here also in Audition you can see the audio which is playing. I'll press B now. I'll press C, and if I continuously keep on pressing the C, it is called, and if I press D, there is this drum sound. So These are default sounds. There are many sounds. In this video, we just saw the basics of the PodTrak P4 and how to connect it via power and how to connect it to the system, and also we have installed the batteries and shown. You can use this as a field recorder if you are outside recording anything also. And if you are indoors, you can connect it to the 5 watts DC USB-C port and you can switch it on like we have done it right now. So now we will close the video here. In the next video, we will show the advanced features of it. We will connect 1 or 2 mics and show you how this works. And also we will show you how to download the latest firmware of this PodTrak P4 and install on this device. This ends the PodTrak P4 part 1. See you in the next video. Bye.